Morning! Hopefully you can hear me okay. I know it's pretty loud in here inside the old van. So I'm on my way to get the car dynoed. I've got the EG6 in tow behind. Yeah, and thought I'd do a talk and drive kind of piece. I've never done this before, so if I crash and die, then there's the evidence. Yeah, but it's a nice sunny day, and we're on our way. I'm kind of on the hunt for a Shell garage to try and get some Optimax. I want to fill the car up with fuel. We've got the services here. What have we got? Yeah, I want to get some Shell Optimax. I want to fill the tank up fully, which I've not done before on the egg, just to make sure that the fuel gauge is working okay, and obviously to make sure I don't run out of fuel on the dyno. But yeah, the main aim for today is just to get the car down there, make sure we're okay, get a figure that I can give into the scrutineers when I start the race season. Yeah, and just tweak that fuel pressure really. I'm hoping that, oh, it's a Shell garage. Yes! Cool, so we'll stop here. Yeah, I'm hoping that my exhaust hasn't done anything bad to the setup of the car. It shouldn't have really, but we'll see anyway. I imagine it's going to read a little bit low compared to the Dyno Dynamics rolling road. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, man. I'm looking forward to it. Right, services, where do I want? Off there. Yeah, so come along for the ride and see what you think. We'll get the car on the dyno and I'll get some footage of that, so I'll see you at that point. Pretty good actually, I'm happy with that. So as you've seen there, it was on the rollers. She was a little bit rich, sorry, a little bit lean to start with, so we had to richen it up a bit. I had the idle pressure set at just about 40 psi, 39 to 40 psi, and we just cranked it up to about 40